In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a CV by email using Outlook, a key step in applying for jobs online. So, let's dive in and ensure your job application gets where it needs to go smoothly and professionally. First, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. If you're not already there, open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Outlook or simply search for it and click on the appropriate link. Once the page is loaded, direct your attention to the Sign In button. You'll find this option prominently displayed, making it easily accessible so you can get to your mailbox in no time. Next, you'll enter your login details on the sign-in page. Make sure you type your email address correctly. Typos can lead to unnecessary delays. Once you've double-checked everything, go ahead and click Next. This will bring you to the password entry field where you'll complete the sign-in process. Again, being accurate here is key to smoothly entering your Outlook dashboard. Now that you're in the Outlook dashboard, it's time to create a new email. Look for the New Message or New Mail button, typically located in the upper left corner. This will bring up a fresh email window where you can start composing your message. The first thing you'll do here is to enter your employer's email address in the To field. It's critical to have the correct email address to ensure your application reaches the intended recipient. Double check that you've entered everything accurately. Next, you'll focus on crafting a subject line. A clear and specific subject line can make all the difference. In this case, you might want to type something straightforward such as application for work. This immediately signals to the employer the purpose of your email and makes it easy for them to identify among their other messages. Now, onto the body of your email. Here's where you'll write a brief cover letter. Keep it concise yet informative. Start with a polite greeting, followed by a short introduction where you mention the job you're applying for and why you're interested in it. Highlight your relevant skills or experiences, and don't forget to express your enthusiasm for the opportunity. Finally, wrap up this section with a courteous thank you for considering your application. The last step is attaching your CV. Locate the attachment button, often represented by a paperclip icon. Clicking this will prompt a file menu where you can browse through your computer files. Once you've found your saved CV, click to attach it. Make sure it's the correct and updated version before you hit send. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be sending your CV via email confidently and effectively. Wishing you all the best in your job search, and may this guide help you land the job you aim for.